Welcome back to my channel. You can currently see my hair. It is like looking normal. How to make it appear that it has got more volume without any gel, without any wax, without any dry. It will appear at the end that it has got more volume. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe. I keep making these kind of videos. Here we go. Firstly, a lot depends on the hairstyle. It should not be that long. As you can see my hair currently, it is falling downwards. I'll try creating a spike style. With the spike style, volume up here looks even more. For the spikes, I've got the haircut accordingly. I sometimes apply little bit of coconut oil to give it some shine. Using the comb, a few adjustments in the end. That's it. You can clearly see the difference how my hair looked earlier and how it is looking now. This one is looking much more better than the previous one. That's all for today. I hope you guys liked the video. In case if you want to see my spike style haircut video, you can comment below. See you guys in the new one. Till then, be in style.